My name is Heath Garrett with Ottawa Property Advisors and Keller Williams Integrity Realty. Welcome to my latest listing, 955 Beauparc Private, Suite 514. It's a 2-bed, 1.5 bath corner suite, hardwood in the dining room, living room, and both bedrooms. Come on in, let's take a look. .955 Beauparc Private, Suite 514 is a 30-second walk to the LRT Serville station, close to shopping, schools, hospitals, and so much more. It's a great location and you can be downtown within about 10 to 12 minutes.